Miami ground, speedbird 664 is ready to take off.
Hello and welcome. Right now we are at Don Bosco, Fatoda, and we have unique initiative which is initiated by Indian Air Force so that the people, especially youths who want to join armed forces, can get inspired and motivated from this. This is a bus which will give you demo of certain aspects of Indian Air Force, which I also don't know because we are yet to go inside. But to explain that right now, and who's heading the entire unit, we have Flight Lieutenant Daya Agarwal. Thank you, sir. So you have been traveling with this bus across India?
Not across India, like it's an initiative. We are covering 3 to 4 states in a single go.
Yeah.
So we started in the first week of January and we traveled to Gujarat first. The first event was at Diu. And then after the Gujarat, we came to Maharashtra region. And after Maharashtra, we will be going to MP and back to Delhi.
Okay, so what is the motive behind such an initiative?
Actually, the vehicle's name is IPEV, Induction Publicity Exhibition Vehicle.
Okay.
So it's a drive, it's a motivational factor for the students. Like we want to make students more aware about the induction process in the Air Force. Like before the introduction to the bus for students, we conduct a lecture. That is a motivational talk. It's an interactive session, we conduct that. And after that we introduce the students to this bus. There is a flight simulator inside, there are VR sets inside, there are various displays, various information, and we have got a display of flying overalls, what a pilot wears when he's in a cockpit.
How many students you have covered till now?
On a daily basis we cover like 1,000 to 1,200 students.
Okay, and what is their response when they say
Response is actually good. Like when we are in a lecture thing, we get 2 to 3 volunteers who wants to join forces. After this event is over, that numbers like increase 10 times.
Okay.
So this is the response we are getting actually.
Okay, before that we'll see the bus. Can you just show us the bus from inside?
Sure.
So right now we are inside the bus and this seems to be mounted on a Volvo body.
Exactly.
And this is tailor-made for this exhibition. Can you just explain us what it is?
There is a display of the flying overalls, what a pilot actually wears when he's in a cockpit.
Okay.
There are various replicas of the aircraft, few of the aircraft we have. So you can see we have 3 types of aircrafts in forces. One is fighters, then helicopters and transports. We have replicas of those for display purpose. Plus we have got 3 VR sets. In this we show the motivational videos to the students. It's just exposure for them to the VR.
This is Rafale C. These are exclusively of Indian Air Force.
Exactly.
So Rafale is already inducted in India.
These are inducted aircraft that are
This is MiG-29.
Yes.
Okay. Then this is
Chinook. This is a helicopter.
F. It's a helicopter. This is, I think, even for cargo and
Exactly.
Okay, and then this is
Jaguar.
This is a fighter one. Okay.
And we have Mi-17. It's a helicopter.
Okay. And then
Then we have Mi-35. Indian name given Akbar.
yeah.
Then we have Su-30. We have Apache helicopter. Then we have Mirage 2000 fighter. Then Hawk fighter. And then we have IL-78.
And 17. What are the requirements if someone wants to join Indian Air Force? What is the basic? One is qualification, and what is the requirement physical?
Like physical requirement is like we teach them. We make them physically fit. The main requirement is the age limit first, then the qualifications, and there is actually a 7-step of process through which we take the candidate.
What is the age limit for?
It starts from 16 and a half and goes up to 26.
To 20.
And if you have CPL like commercial pilot license, it goes till 28.
Okay, and you require particular height.
That medical thing is seen afterwards. Like medical things, for that we have particular doctors, we have particular sections, they will judge you. Like it is not like if you are not fit in one entry, they will fit you in second entry. If you have, like it's a 7-step process. First will be the advertisement, then will be the filling up of the forms online, then there is an exam. After exam there is interview, SSB we call it. Then after that we have medicals, after medicals we have merit list, and after merit list we have joining instructions.
So what is the educational qualification that someone has?
Minimum requirement is 12th.
Minimum is 12.
Like for 16 and a half, it's 12th with PCM.
PCM, physics, chemistry and maths.
Exactly.
Okay, what are these scenes meant for?
These are VR sets. There are 3 VR sets put here. You feel like sitting in a movie theater watching a movie. These are the motivational videos of Air Force.
Okay.
And students watch it, they enjoy it.
So this is not a flying experience. This is not
Flying
like
experience is that side. Like simulator.
Okay, this is simulator.
This is a flying simulator. You can actually experience how to fly. What all things are there in the aircraft. What all things actually are in the cockpit. You can see them.
Can anyone sit and
Yeah, you can sit. Have a seat.
okay. So this was simulator when actually तुम्ही एअरक्राफ्टान बसतगर कसो एक्सपिरियन्स जाता ते दाखोवपा खातीर. This was a simulator. So if someone wants to join Indian Air Force, then these are something which these are the things which are first hand experience, and then you get motivated. Finally, this is a bus which has been introduced by Indian Air Force to motivate students in large number to join armed forces in general and Indian Air Force in particular, so that they can look at it as a career. This is bus which has traveled thousands of kilometers to reach here at Don Bosco College of Engineering, Fatorda, and right now various students are having the first hand experience of what is the life once you join Indian Air Force. And trust me, it is thrilling, it is exciting, and once you join these forces, you will never repent because you will be serving the nation directly. You are watching this Passay on your favorite website www.goanewsup.com. Special thanks to Don Bosco College of Engineering, Fatorda, and all the professors here. Channel partners are RDXGOA and production partners are goabyland.com. Keep watching.